Hey YouTube, it's Uniquely Tatiana here with another video, and this video is going to be a review obviously on a blow dry brush that I got. And so yeah, let's just jump into it. Okay, so already, as you can tell, I already washed my hair. I did put them in twist, and I actually left it like in twist overnight, and I just left a t-shirt wrapped around my head. So my hair is still a little damp right now. Obviously, it's in 4 sections. I did want to leave it a little damp because, like, on other people's reviews on YouTube, I seen that, I guess apparently that works the best for this product. So let me go ahead and show you. So this is it right here. It came in this box, and it is the Revlon Pro Collection one-step hair dryer and styler brush. This is how it came. It's in a nice little packaging. It says smooth results with less frizz in half the time. We'll see about that. It says less heat related damage. It has ionic technology that reduces frizz and enhances shine. It has the large paddle design that dries and smooths hair quickly. It has detangling bristles that help dry, smooth, and style hair. And then it says it has a lightweight, ergonomic design for maximum comfort and ease of use. And then, sorry, it says it has tangle-free drying. So, I'm gonna go ahead and take it out of the package. It actually looks kind of like a normal paddle brush, sorry. Looks like kind of like a normal padding brush, except the bristles are a little bit longer than normal, and then the actual like handle and stuff is kind of bigger, obviously. So let me take this off. Okay, so it does kind of have a big handle, and on here it has the settings right here. It has cool, low, or high. So I'm guessing cool is like colder a little bit, low is like low speed or whatever, and then the high is like high speed, whatever. It's the maximum. So I think I'm gonna start with the low setting first and just see how that does. Okay, so this blow dryer is powerful. It's powerful. The low setting, I feel like it works okay, but it was kind of taking a little bit longer to blow dry my hair with the low setting. So I tried the high setting and like it was powerful. And also another thing about it is that it's kind of really loud. I didn't expect the blow dryer to be that loud, but it is pretty loud. And also on the high setting, it gets extremely hot. I don't know if you guys could see like any smoke or anything. It was the heat protectant spray, but it was like pretty hot on the high setting. And I do feel like it did definitely cut down some time. It cut down a lot of time actually. I would say like it took probably like a quarter of the time. Anyways, I'm gonna keep going. Okay, so let me tilt this down a little bit. So one thing that I've noticed is that this blow dryer brush, like it's really good, but you have to take your time. The first side, I didn't really take my time with it, so it didn't come out as like straight as this. But this side, I took my time with it more. And it's gonna sound weird, but even though like I took my time and went slower, it still was like less time that it took. Because the other side, I feel like on the first section, it took a lot longer because I was trying to rush through it and it just wasn't getting like straight enough. This side, I actually just like, I went slower and it got dry fast and it's pretty straight. Well, for blow drying, this is what it looks like. I don't know if you guys can see too well. And that's what it looks like. So I'm just gonna do this last side. All right, I'm just gonna show you each side compared to each other so I can show you the difference between like taking your time and not taking your time. Okay, so I don't know if you guys, sorry, my scalp's itching. I don't know if you guys can see this, but this, believe it or not, it's actually kind of a big difference. This side looks a lot more smooth and straight, and this side is a lot more frizzy and like puffy looking. And then one side is actually longer than the other because it did get straighter. So I'm gonna go ahead and I'm going to blow dry this side a little bit more. Alrighty guys, so this is the final look from this blow dryer brush. And let me tell you guys one thing that I've noticed. This blow dryer brush is like the hottest blow dryer I think I've had yet. It is so hot, it's like it almost straightens your hair. So I wanted to let you guys know that if you're like about, like, you know, kind of iffy about a lot of heat to your hair. There is a cool setting, but it's still kind of hot, but it's not as hot. But like the low and the high setting is like super hot. So it does kind of like apply a lot of heat, which can be a good thing, but also it can be a bad thing, because, you know, we don't want no heat damage, and this applies a lot of heat. But as far as like the actual blow drying, it did take a little bit less time. I would say probably about half the time, because usually it takes me like at least an hour and a half to blow dry my hair. But I think it only took me like 20-30 minutes or something like that to dry my hair with the blow dryer brush. And it got it actually pretty straight. I'm kind of surprised at how straight it got it. Let me just show you guys from the back of what it looks like. And just so you know, that blow dryer is so hot. Like, I'm like sweating right now because it's hot in here now, because it got so hot from the blow dryer. So yeah, anyways, this is what the back looks like. And yeah, I mean, looks like they blow out. So I don't know if I have anything else to tell you guys about it. Oh yeah, one other thing. I'm gonna show you how much hair came out during the whole process, and this is about how much hair came out, which that's not bad at all for how much hair that I have. That's how much hair came out, so it didn't really take too much hair out or anything like that. It did glide through my head pretty well, through my hair pretty well. And I'm pretty sure that's because it was already detangled in the first place. So yeah, I would actually rate this product, I'd probably say like a 9 out of 10, just because it makes blow drying so much easier, and it does take less time. And the reason why I rated a 9 also is because the heat, instead of a 10, a 9 instead of a 10, because of it having so much heat to it. I feel like it can be kind of a bad thing for us natural ladies. So a 9 out of 10 though, because it does very, very well, and it makes everything so much easier. So that concludes my unboxing and review of this blow dryer brush. I know I'm late on it, but hey, I wanted to try it even though I'm late. Oh well. Anyways, so if you like my video, go ahead and click the thumbs up button. Make sure you subscribe to my channel, and then make sure you hit the bell notification so you can get notifications when I post new videos every week. And yeah, thanks for watching.